Words are powerful when it comes to relationships. Words can cause different emotions in us. They can create arguments and also help solve them. But did you know that words are one of the ways that a man can find you attractive and spark intense desire in him for you? In this video I'm going to share 3 ways you can create intense attraction in your man for you by using these 13 key feminine phrases, which are split across 3 different types. If you're really keen on learning more, in order to best understand the following phrases, it's helpful for you to know about some different types of statements. So here are 13 of them, word for word. You may not be able to grasp it now, but soon it'll make sense. So are you ready? Great! Then let's get started. Validation statement. The first type of statement you can use is called a validation statement. A man might not know he's at the right level with you just by talking to you. The reason this is great is because men want to feel special and different. They want to be the first man who can capture your attention and make you a bit playful. When you challenge him right away by telling him that he's not like all the other guys, it will make his day and he'll feel not just special but really attractive in the way that only a highly feminine woman can make him feel. Phrase 1. Most guys are boring. You got to be a special kind of guy to win my heart. Phrase 2. I like to take my time before committing. I want to know more about someone before tying myself down. Phrase 3. I don't like to rush into things. Phrase 4. I'm really enjoying my life right now. I refuse to be in a relationship unless it's with someone very special. A woman who is selective and feminine will be seen as a high-value woman by men. What we say to our partners matters, and it can have life-changing effects. The female characters in the female brain were described as being selective in their relationships. This made them attractive to men, who would see them as feminine and high-value women. So as you can see, a validation statement can be very powerful. Moving on. Challenge him statements. One way to a man's heart is through his ego. Gently challenge him and let him show you what he's made of, to kindle that flame. This seems to be his own personal mission. In other words, it gets him to do something that won't result in a satisfying end result without action. When he does this and accomplishes his mission, you will be happy and satisfied. There's a reason why men love a challenge. When they achieve the task at hand, their brain releases chemicals that create a euphoric sensation. So it makes sense why these challenge statements are so powerful. For example, his life's positive challenges could be: I will master a new language in 6 months. I will have a jogging routine that perfects my running technique in 3 months. I will write 2 novels by the end of the year. You get the point? Great! These statements help men open up more and be in a less defensive state. Phrase 5. Honey, I wanna ask for your help with something. Phrase 6. Can I ask you for a favor, babe? Phrase 7. It would feel so good if you would. Phrase 8. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, baby, but it would feel great if you would. Then state your request in a soft tone of voice. Though this stuff works, but remember this is very important. To get him hooked on you, you need to build up his desire by celebrating and appreciating him when he has accomplished something challenging for you. Men's incentive to perform well and serve their women is directly related to the approval they receive. So, if you give him a happy response when he does a good job, he'll be very motivated to do even better next time. Empower him statement. Another type of phrase you can use is an empower him statement. Guys like feeling powerful and successful. They do that by working hard and earning money. If you want to make your guy happy, do something he feels good about doing and feeling like a winner. In a relationship, for a man, what is accomplishment? Accomplishment for a man is giving you an experience that you love. Have you ever wondered what it's like for a guy when he succeeds at making a woman happy? He actually feels 10 feet tall. And how do you do that? Simple. Start a sentence with these feeling statements. An example of this is something like, Phrase 9, I feel so girly around you. Phrase 10, I feel happy when I'm with you. Phrase 11, you always make me smile even when I don't want to. Phrase 12, I feel so warm and fuzzy when I'm around you. Phrase 13, when I'm with you I feel so safe. These statements are great. I can't wait to see what changes you make when you're more in touch with your man. Just try it, use positive feeling words and notice what he does differently. You'll have a good time watching the emotion come to life in his face and body language when you say these things. If you enjoyed this video and found value in it, please subscribe to my channel for more yummy content. And it supports my channel. Thanks for watching.